In this video, I'm going to show you how to export Relume to Figma. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to Relume.io, you want to sign in, and you want to open up your project. Now, once you're happy with your project and what you've done in here in Relume, what you're going to have to do is up here, top right where it says export, right next to it, there's this icon. You want to click on that and you want to make sure it says Figma first, okay? So click on Figma, make sure it's confirmed, and then you want to click on export. Now here you will have the guide on how to actually export it to Figma. So first you'll have to open the Relume Figma kit, and you can do this by just clicking on this link over here. And then let's just do this. Let me show you how to do it. So it's going to open up the Relume Figma kit. There we go. What you're going to have to do is click on open in Figma. And this will basically just open up a project inside Figma, which is going to be the Relume Figma Kit version 3.0. Okay, so it's going to start loading for a bit. If you're doing this for the first time, it may take up a few minutes. And yeah, after this is loaded, of course, there we go. We can now proceed. So the first part is done. The second one is to install the Relume Figma plugin. You want to click on Install Plugin over here. And then it's going to take you again over here to the community of Figma, and you want to click on Open In, and you want to select this one. So you want to select your Relume Figma kit because this is where we're going to be importing. So of course you can do that, or you can do of course a new file in case you have a different file inside Figma you would like to import into. So for this instance, I'm just going to import in here. It doesn't really matter. So click on that, and once this loads up, as you can see, it's going to open up in Figma again. It's going to take a few seconds for this to load because it's, again, the Relume Figma kit. And once that's done, I'll show you exactly how to do this. So there we go. Now, you'll see this plugin on your screen. So it's going to pop up. It says Relume. What you're going to have to do is you want to click on Run down here, and this will then run. And if you're doing this for the first time, you'll first have to basically connect. So we're just going to have to click, I think it says login or sign in or something like this. There we go. I'm going to log out for you. Yes, you want to click on login. And it's going to take you to Relume over here where you're going to have to sign in. For me, it did that automatically. It's going to say account successfully linked. And then you can close the tab and head back to Figma. So let's do this. There we go. And you'll see you're now signed in. Here, you can just select your project. So I'm going to select this project, which is the only one I have right now. And then in here, you can select what you would like to import. So you can import style guide and concept, the wireframes, and the sitemap. So we're going to go with style guide and concept over here. And then you can select which one you have. Just select it like this. Click on continue. And then basically it's going to tell you if there's any missing fonts or stuff like that. So for this, some fonts are available and you can then replace it with whatever you want. So I'm just going to go with Able over here, and I'm going to select style as regular. There we go. And it's just going to replace because of course not every font is unfortunately available. But of course you can just replace it without a hassle. So click continue. And then they're going to start working on their magic. It's going to say stretch your legs. This may take up to 10 minutes, and then it's going to start updating, and you should stay in this tab because leaving it will stop your import. So make sure you actually stay in here, and then once all that is synced over here and imported, you'll be able to see that you have successfully imported Relume to Figma. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.